Want to see how the Nike Run Club app works on a treadmill? Well, in this video, I show you how. The first thing you need to do once you get on your treadmill is open the Nike Run Club app. In the Run menu, tap the gear icon on the bottom left to access settings. Where it says indoor/outdoor, tap and make sure it's set to indoor. Tap done at the top right. Now you'll see a treadmill icon near the center of the screen. At the bottom, you can set your running goal for distance, time, or speed. And when you're ready to run, tap start on the app. You need to make sure you're holding onto your phone in order for it to track your performance. And if you set your phone down and you're not holding onto your phone, it'll stop tracking your movements. Surprisingly, even if you have the app synced with your Apple Watch. You'll notice that even though you're moving, your metrics aren't being calculated. But once you start running with your phone again, it'll go back to displaying your metrics. And if you want to use your Apple Watch to track your treadmill run, here's what you'll need to do. Open the Nike Run Club app on your Apple Watch. Swipe to Settings and make sure Indoor is toggled on. Then start your run. You'll also be prompted on your phone that since you started the run from your watch, that starting a run on your phone will start a separate run. So your metrics won't be mirrored. If you want to mirror your treadmill run metrics on both your watch and phone, you need to start the run from your phone and hold onto it as you run. However, starting a run from your Apple Watch will allow you to run freely on a treadmill without having to hold onto anything. So that's how treadmill running works with the Nike Run Club app. Be sure to check out my other Nike Run Club videos here. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.